Adding email accounts in Opera. This tutorial will show you how to configure an account in Opera to check email. Click the Tools menu. Select Mail and Chat accounts. If Opera was previously configured to check a different mail account somewhere else, then this window will not be displayed. You will need to use the Add option mentioned later in this tutorial. Click the Yes button. Click the Next button. Enter your real name. Enter your email address. Click the Next button. Enter your login name. Typically, this is the same as your email address. Opera auto-populates this field based on what was entered in the email address field. We will edit it, though, to make sure it is entered correctly. Enter the password. Click either the regular email POP radio button or the IMAP radio button. Servers are often configured to support both the Post Office Protocol version 3 or POP3 and the Internet Message Access Protocol or IMAP. POP3 accounts will download all of the email that is in the inbox for the account on the server to the local machine, and the client will read the local copy when displaying a message. Typically, the messages are deleted from the server when they're finished downloading to the client. IMAP accounts will download just the headers when checking email and then download the individual messages as they're read. IMAP accounts will generally also delete the copy on the server when the local copy is deleted. Click the Next button. Leaving this checkbox checked will tell Opera not to request that the server delete its copy of the messages once they're downloaded. This is useful when it is necessary to check the email from clients configured on multiple systems. However, it is recommended that messages on the server be removed manually through webmail periodically if this is enabled to avoid reaching the mailbox quota for the account on the server. Click the Finish button. Opera will automatically attempt to check the account when you save it. The account has been created, but there are still a few settings that need to be changed before we're done. Click the Tools menu. Select Mail and Chat accounts. Here is where we would start the process for adding the new account if there was already a previous account configured. Select the account. Click the Edit button. Click the Servers tab. The default port for the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, is port 25. Many Internet service providers block this port at their network firewall. This is done as a security measure to prevent viruses like email worms and spam zombies from sending email from infected machines connecting to their network. For this reason, our server is running a second copy of the SMTP service that is listening for connections on port 26 as well, and we will be changing our outgoing port to use this one in order to connect to our server. Enter the new port number. Click the OK button. Click the Close button. Congratulations! You now know how to configure an account in Opera to check email.